Oh my God, Jack.
Yeah.
I've figured some out with my phone. When you see this video, you're going to be so impressed. If I do this, look. Wait, can I do it? Oh my God. 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 Hi. Tested. Oh my God. Look. I could just zoom in on things. So like, if I'm like, gearbox. Oh my God. This is like some new stuff. They probably just saw my 8/16 chins then. Because I was literally like that. This is weird. This is weird. Because you can see my face in the corner. This is like a new experience, isn't it? We are recording. You have to excuse the noise outside because there is people putting scaffolding up because we're finally getting the roof fixed after 3.5 years. So, anyway. Oh, I don't even need to do that anymore. Look, 350 right here. Ignore my face if I look just a bit weird. I'm having to point the camera down. But I can't, no. I'm a bit excited actually because this is, oh my God, you can see me and you. Hi, Jack.
Unlucky for that.
Jack's supposed to wave. Yeah. So, 350, finally finished. Got the rods from Lithuania. Also, found an issue with one of the looms. It had a bit of a split in it, so we had to get another one, which took forever. But, eventually, we've got it. Engine is going in. Gearbox is in the car. Engine must go in car. Gearbox, not coming out. Gonna be awkward. Oh, I've just realised I'm like up my nostril as well, like that. Literally. So, yeah. This is going to take some getting used to, isn't it? Really bad.
I wonder if people actually know what you're recording on.
Huh?
I wonder if people can actually tell what you're recording on.
I don't know, maybe. Let me know if you actually know what we are recording on. Because we ain't got two cameras, we've got one. We've literally got one, haven't we?
Yeah.
That was such a zoom on your face. Anyway, we're going to jump straight into this and get it finished. But this is trippy. This is so trippy. It's going to be so trippy to edit.
You can see the Ovlov.
You can see the Ovlov. Emily finally came through. We finally got the crank gear to finish that off. So that should be done soon. Waiting on liners for the Mazda. That should be done soon, but we're slowly getting through all the stuff.
You just got to use your zoom, aren't you?
I am, yeah. You notice how many times?
Some guy forced with this fucking roof.
Notice how many times I keep like zooming in and that. It's going to be weird editing it. But if you like this concept, let us know. You might see a lot of double chins. You might see many weird things. You might see up my nostrils. So I do apologise in advance. But we're trying new things, alright? Hi. I like this mode. I do like it. So we've jacked the car up. We're going to get the engine in. We think we might have to jack the back up, but we're not sure. We're going to see how it actually goes. Because obviously you're trying to put a engine that stands pretty stable on its own. It's like pretty level, but it has got a slight tilt even. So what we're going to have to do with that is just see what it's like when we get it closer and see what we can actually do. I'm not getting used to this because my face is like really far in front of the camera, so you get to choose what you look at, either my nostrils or the actual engine. We've got it to there, which is a bit of a ball ache because you've got the anti-roll bar in the way. We've also got the steering rack on the other side. A lot of people will be like, why ain't you got a lift? And a lot of people said this when we did Lee's video. We literally don't have any room. Like, it looks like we've got loads of room, but in theory we actually haven't. So down the sides, obviously we need bits for other engines and stuff, spare engines. But once you've actually got a lift in here, there's literally no room whatsoever. You can see you got the height. We've got the 3-phase electric as well for one. It's just we just don't have the room, unfortunately. There's nothing we can do about that, I'm afraid. So yeah, we have to do it this way. Majority of the cars that we do anyway, the engine comes out the front, so we don't really need a ramp either. We are looking at getting another place maybe if another one comes up in this compound, but we'll see what happens. But we got it to this stage, so now what we're going to do is we're going to lift the gearbox with the jack to help try and level it out a bit more so it's clearing it, and then we'll try and make the gearbox up to it and bolt it through. But struggles, but it's worth it. So it's all about getting experience. We know that if we're doing these, it'll be more than likely easier on a ramp in the future. Oh my God, Jack.
Yeah.
I've figured some out on my phone. When you see this video, you're going to be so impressed. If I do this, look. Wait, can I do it? Oh my God. 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 Anyway, so I'm not surprised. They can actually see you shitting yourself. But engine's in. It didn't actually take as long as we thought. It actually lined up pretty well. The gearbox did twist slightly, but we jacked the engine up to loosen the slack on that, and then we just twisted the gearbox, and it's all lined up. It's all perfectly fine. Jack's just tightening the gearbox bolts up. Dan, oh my God, look at that. Down there, look. Oh, this camera, mate, honestly, I swear. So, now I figured out how to switch the camera to make my face big instead, Jack. And you can still see you. It's going to be so much better. You're going to get less nose shots and more visual shots. But I'm hoping we don't get copyrighted for this music, so I'm going to be as quick as possible. But progress is happening. Hopefully we can get this finished. This will be finished in this video. It'll be running as well. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you have your notification icon on. It's getting there. This is where we're at right now. So we're trying to get everything back where it should be. But you know, because when you've done something a long time ago and then you have to remember where everything else goes, it's a little bit awkward. But luckily, we do YouTube, Jack. No, so sometimes it does help to record stuff, but it also helps other people as well. So it's like when we was doing the 350 building engine, yes, we didn't show you building it up, actually, because I didn't realise that, you know, Jack. We didn't actually show them building it up. We started to record it, and then for some reason I've got 6 or 7 clips on the computer, but there's literally no other clips. That's it. There's no more. So sorry about that. I'm not sure why, if I'm honest. But yeah, so it does help us. Like I said, if other people watch it as well when we're stripping it down and things like that, it kind of helps them put things back where they want to put them. So it's another reason why we do record them. My car, well, we've kind of gave up on it. No, we haven't. We haven't gave up. We're just, again, too busy. Too busy. We're going to get to a point where we can have some time off to sort that. And then once we've done that, we're going to fix that, finish it, and then send it off for paint. Because that's literally what it needs. It needs about, what hour would you say on the car? About a week?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, so it needs about a week from us on the car, and then we should be alright to should send it for paint and get it all sorted, which is going to be fun. But so this is where we're at. Engine is in, everything else is on, lights are all in. The only thing left to do is the bumper and just sort out these pipes down here. But coolant's in, we need to bleed it up. Jack's going to start it, it's going to start, and there's going to be no issues. We know that anyway. Come on, just start it. Just start it. So, here we go. First forge start. I mean, it started, but it did shoot a bit of coolant out. So we'll take that as a plus. Now, if we go down here, bear with. It's starting to rain. You can hear.
Minus the rattle.
Yeah, something. There we go. You can hear it's running. Do you want to press accelerator slightly? Minus that rattle. Ignore the rattle. It's the exhaust. I'll have to try and adjust that a little bit. So it's alive again. This is exactly what we want. And if you wondered what we was doing with the banging, we've got all this above us. Alright, all that. Okay. So yeah, the joys. 350 finished. Waiting God knows how long for parts. So that's just the way it is, unfortunately. I'm afraid we can't do anything about that. But we got there eventually. We're clearing some cars outside, so hopefully we should have some time for mine soon. We are going to get Emily's done soon as well. Now we've got the crank pulley as well. So hopefully progress is happening. We just got to prioritise other people's work, I'm afraid. I know you guys like the videos, but we are going to try and do some builds later on down the line. Do you know what I think we should do? I think we should actually put it to a vote to people, Jack. I think we should buy a fucked VXR, right, which we'd get a lot of them anyway, and then I think we should actually like try and do a power build on it, but the cheapest way possible.
What, eBay turbo and all that?
I reckon max speeding rods as well. I reckon everything the cheapest fucking possible way, just to see what we can do.
I reckon 201 horsepower and it's going to blow up.
I reckon 193. But if you think we should do that, make sure you comment down below. Make sure you let us know. But I think it'll be quite interesting to do. Again, we are known for courses, and we do power builds for other people. We just don't do it for ourselves because we haven't got the time, unfortunately, and they cost money. But if we do it on a budget, might be a nice little project. We'll get the car wrapped and all that sort of stuff, and we'll have it as the basically we'll make it fit into McDonald's, can't we? Shall we wrap it in the McDonald's logo? That would be great. Alright, so we're going to go and bleed this up now. That should be it for this video. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And if you like the recording style, let us know. And we'll see what we can do for the next ones. And this will be going soon. We can't road test it though because it's got no MOT and no tax. So, yes.